We're at Waves 2025 and joining us now are film producers Nishikant Roy and Sandeep Sidhbani. In fact, they recently produced the released film Ground Zero. Welcome. Thank you for speaking with both of us.
Thank you so much.
Let me quickly ask you firstly about the Waves 2025 inaugurated today by Prime Minister Modi. Big moment for the creative industry. What would you hope comes out of such a summit for India's creative fraternity?
I think it will give a great boost to the creators, definitely. And in one such big platform, everybody is coming together. So, yeah, it's good.
Hats off to Mr. Modi that he has pulled up such a big event like Waves, which is the first time of bringing the whole industry together. Basically also pulling up all the creative writers who have been wanting breaks, which they have been literally approaching to production houses and wanting to see that their film comes out there. So this, yes, is a big platform for them to step in and come in and share and connect with all the studios and people who are participating, where it can be a collaboration to take things forward.
Do you believe, the time has come for India? We see, of course, globally how the entertainment industry has been growing. But now, finally, India is getting its due recognition as well, be it in gaming, be it, of course, in films, with now a lot of them releasing and having huge reach on OTT as well, and also, of course, for music.
So, no, I didn't get your question.
Basically, do you believe India's time has come globally?
Of course, the India time has come, because in the gaming sector we are growing, in the entertainment sector we are growing. The OTTs are doing well for India, so I think so. Yeah, it's India's time, and we need to capitalize on that.
Yes. Do you believe also that the industry, creative industry, adds a lot to the GDP as well, and this is something that obviously now governments are realizing?
100%. It is definitely going to open up all doors and opportunities for everybody in the industry. I feel it is something good that is really coming up finally, that India needs it. And globally, we are all becoming very close to each other. So it makes a big hell of a difference.
Your film Ground Zero is released. How has been the response for you?
It's nice. Love is coming from all the parts of the country. Let's see how it does on the box office. Yeah.
What would you say? It was a great experience for you, of course, filming in Kashmir. Now we've seen what has happened, of course, in Kashmir. The country stood united against terror, and obviously people are seeing what happened to terrorists at that time through your film.
People need to go and watch Ground Zero. Ground Zero really will tell them what actually we have been doing, what the unsung heroes have done for the country. Is this where they need to go and watch the film? So I'll really request people to go and see the film. They will get the answer to it. How we are all united together.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Journalist Vishnu Uday Pratap Singh in Mumbai for NewsX.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.